So let's look at how to create some assignments in Dropbox in D2L and use the originality check and rubrics with them. We're going to start at our home page and we're going to look to the top where we have that assignments link. When we click that, we'll look for the drop-down menu and we want to click Dropbox. In the Dropbox folder, we can see all of our existing assignments and we can click New Folder to create a new assignment. In this folder, we'll go ahead and enter a new title and instructions for the new assignment. I always click they can submit more than one, but I only want the last one. Now when we click this originality check, this is the plagiarism checking tool that we can use. So we click that and then we want to assign it to a category. For this, it's an advanced organizer. And we enter the score. It's going to be out of 10 points. But this grade item, we need to click New Grade Item. Choose numeric to give it points, and then we enter our title and information again. This creates an assignment in the actual grade book for students to have. We can see our points there. This is where we can also add the rubric. If we've created rubrics, we can add a rubric so that students can see it and we can use it to score. Now with the originality check options, I always allow students to see the originality check so that they can see what I'm seeing when it comes to whether or not they've used other people's words without citing them correctly. And there we can see our new assignment. The little ribbon and the binoculars show us that the assignment has been connected to a real assignment and the originality check is in place. So what does this look like for a student? Well, when we go into our student mode, we will look and see what they see. The student sees where she or he can submit the assignment, and we can see here the originality check is enabled, so the student knows that it's there and can upload his or her work. So once the assignment has been uploaded, the student clicks Submit and will receive a confirmation. The file submission was successful, and you can see there the binoculars show us that yes, the originality check is working. So the student clicks Done, and it takes the student back to that page, the submission page. And as a faculty, when I go into grade, I can see that an assignment has been submitted. I can click on that, and it's going to take me to the student's assignment. Now I did click that check originality, and so I can see my Turnitin similarity score is a 19%. And then I can click it and look at it to see what I've got. It will pull up the report for me and open it up in Turnitin. And from there, the assignment will post anything that looks similar, and it will post where it came from to see if it's something that is really a match or if it's just a coincidence. So we can click back out of that. And then I can score as usual. So remember, I've attached my rubric, so I can score using the rubric. And I'll score in each category. And hit close. And it will automatically interpret my points. I can manually adjust those if I want to, if there's some reason, and then I can give some feedback to the student that explains why I've given more or less points, or if I want to give any additional details about the rubric score. I hit publish, and once I do that, the student's going to be able to see that. So that's how you can use the rubric to score and use the originality check feature in Dropbox in D2L. Good luck.